channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fortune teller. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to fold this paper in half. Let's go. Here we go. Make sure it's super close to the seams and very nicely done. The next, we're going to fold it the other way. So here we go. Fold it the other way. Make sure the seams are good. And now, this is just to make the folding a little easier. We'll fold it on the diagonal. So let's go fold number 1. Here we go. And now fold number 2 on the other diagonal. So now we're ready to start folding this. Now, so we're gonna start by, you see this, so you made some squares here. So we're gonna follow that line and fold it. So fold number 1. We're gonna do this 4 times all the way around till we have a smaller square. So oops, I messed it up. Oh, don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always go back and fix it. So here we go. Oops. I'm not very good at origami, but this is one of the first origamis I've ever made, so I've ever learned. So now let's go to the third one. Sorry that I'm so slow, but I just like to make it perfect, so it's kind of hard to do it. So once you have this, we're gonna flip it over, and there's some lines of squares here, so we're gonna fold the same way we did it the other time, but just upside down. So let's go 1, 2, 3, and we're almost done. Number 4, and now we're going to fold it in half. This doesn't matter which way you do it. And now you see these flaps here. We're going to this line here. We're going to pinch, hold it, and then do it on the other side. This is what I do normally, but some people have other methods. Try to make it open, but this is how you make it. So if you want to actually make this a fortune teller, each flaps I'd usually put a color, and on each section I put a number. Then under these I have like a fortune. And let me show you how to use this now. So let's go. Sometimes it's a little hard to do. It's okay. Now we just go this way and you ask for a number, then you ask for a color, and once they go on and you have a fortune. So bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.